Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to find and copy your YouTube channel link in mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your YouTube app. So I'm going to click on here to open my YouTube app. Just like so. Having opened up your YouTube app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on you right here. Click on this. Click on you right here. So I'm going to simply click on that. Then it take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on your channel name. It take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. Just like so, it take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on share. So it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on copy link. With that, you have found and copy your YouTube channel link and you can share it with anybody on just your mobile phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.